Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert Polygon Matic to Binance Smart Chain in Metamask. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Metamask mobile app. Then you need to tap on this swap option in the middle and select the bridge option. So since BSC Smart Chain and Polygon Matic are two different networks, we need to bridge it in order to do the conversion, and with the help of Metamask, it is very easy for you to do it. So once you are on the bridge option in your Metamask portfolio, in the From section, you need to simply tap on this drop down menu and select Polygon. And then in the To section, you need to select the BNB chain network. So it will look something like this. Now in the send token, you can select Polygon, and in the receive token, you can select BNB. After doing this, you need to enter the amount of Polygon that you want to basically convert into BNB, and after entering the amount, you need to tap on the bridge option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then you need to just take a look at the transaction, and you need to simply conclude your transaction. Now once your transaction is completed, you will be able to easily convert your Matic into BNB. So if this video helped you out, give it a like. If you have any questions, you can let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye.